Hello. Today we're going to talk about some new custom knives that we got from Robert Lyons. Now, as you know, we had made a video here a few weeks back about a knife that Robert Lyons has given us to test and play with to see what we thought of his product. And we liked the knife so much that we decided we were going to go ahead and pick up a couple knives from him. Now, we're not into flashy things, and we're into hard use items. So we've got some basic run-of-the-mill Bushcraft style knives. As you can see, it's just got a standard point. It's 1075 carbon steel, rosewood handle, so it's good hardwood, and a simple 90-degree spine for doing the fire steel. Something that would just work for our uses and be nice and rugged. And so we picked these up, and they weren't very expensive. I think they cost us about $95 a piece. I mean, I don't know what if that's the normal price or if that's just what he charged us, but they're very good knives. They're rugged, and as you'll see in some footage we're going to show you, they can hold up to a little bit of abuse. If you'd like to get one of these knives, you can contact Robert on his Facebook page. That information will be posted in the video. Thank you.
Please note, we paid for these knives out of our own pocket. We were not paid to make these videos, nor did we get the knives for free. Anyway, here's some video of me using it to split some kindling.
That's too, it's got a big knot in it.
That's what I was thinking.
There's a hard one because it's got a twist in it and a knot.
Yep.
So the reason you was able to do that was because she's doing it right. Does it feel comfortable? It's not.
Yeah. Feel fine.
You're not getting any flex in the blade or anything as you're doing it, or is the edge chipping any? The bone? Now what you should do is take your sharpening stone and go put an edge on it and see if you can use some feather sticks.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.